Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final presentation assembly of the autumn term. It's our December 2020 presentation assembly, and we're here for our year twos who've all been working so hard throughout this term and earning themselves certificates. So really well done to all of these children. If it's not you, don't worry. Spring term, start back in January, work as hard as you possibly can, and who knows, it could be you getting the certificates in the spring term as well. So really well done. Now, as always, invited along my house captains, Harlow's here to help me read out those children's names and those certificates. We're starting, you'll see, with our Phonics Stars. Those children have been working so hard on their phonics throughout, the Ruth Miskin bit that they've been working on non-stop, improving their reading, improving their writing. It is working. Please keep it up, everyone, because it is a smashing thing. Here are our 4 Phonics Stars for this term.
Jordan, Levi, Esme and Lily.
Jordan, Levi, Esma and Lily! Superstars, well done you 4, and I know you've been working so hard. I also know how hard, and I've seen all that work, all the writing you're doing as well as that, as well as working so hard on your phonics. Please keep it up over Christmas. Don't stop now for these 2 weeks. Please keep doing. You know what to do. You know what you should be doing now. So please do keep it up over this Christmas. Keep doing a little bit, because when you come to January, hit the ground running, and you'll be really good still at your phonics and carry on with that learning. Okay, so well done you guys. Enjoy your certificates. You've got to take them home today. I'm proud of you all. Keep it up. Thank you. Moving on to our math stars, again, mathematics mastery. So those children have been working so hard on maths mastery throughout this term. And if you see some of these year twos work and some of the work that they're doing in maths, it is fairly phenomenal. The way they set it out and the maths that they're working at, it is brilliant. So well done to these 4 children.
Michael, Esme, Charlie and Ramya.
Michael, Esme, Charlie and Ramya. Well done you mathematicians. Brilliant. Look, thumbs up as well. Look, Charlie and Ramya, absolutely. Thumbs up from Mr. Allen as well. Well done, guys. You've been working so hard on your maths. I know that. And even doing maths at home as well. As I said previously, please keep that up. Keep that up over Christmas as well, because it's really important not to forget what we've been doing in maths. So please do keep it up, all right? Well done, you maths stars. It all adds up to me. Sorry, had to get that one in there. But moving on. We've got our science stars. These are the children who are asking the where, the whys, the whats. They keep on asking that. So why is that? Why is that? Why? You know, Miss Halkins, why is that? Okay, just keep asking, keep asking. So do make sure you are that child as well. So these are our 4 children who have won their science stars.
Eva, Dorcas, Leah and Jake.
Eva, Dorcas, Leah and Jake. Here they are, look at those scientists. Leah, lovely thumbs up. Look at all the merit she's earned. Look at those, okay? It's because those children are working so hard. They are earning merits constantly. I'm going to have a look at the Keen Cup in a little while as well to see how many house points children have earned. But really well done to those scientists. Keep asking those questions. Keep being inquisitive. We need scientists. We need more scientists in the world to help us with the pandemics that are going on. So please keep being scientific. Really well done to those 4. Proud of you. And put those certificates in a nice pride of place up at home when you get home. Well done. Moving on, history stars. Now I know year 2s have been doing so much history. Great Fire of London, they've been making bread, they've been doing lots and lots of different things throughout around history this term. And these 4 are our true historians, and they've earned themselves a certificate each. Go, Kate.
Cece, Omo Zoya, Ebony and Gabriel.
Brilliant. Cece, Omo, Ebony and Gabby. Well done you 4. You absolute superstars. I know that you love history. I can just see that from the work that you've done. You know, the illustrations, the writing, really enjoying that. I know even setting fire to your poor old houses. Wasn't that amazing as well? Really love that. Bread that you made as well. So well done to you 4. You really deserved it. You've worked so hard this term. Congratulations. Look after those certificates. Put them in pride of place when you get home. All right, so really proud of you. Well done you 4. Superstars. Reading stars. Now, Mr. Allen's got some reading books for some reading stars. The reason we've got some reading books is we want you to carry on reading over Christmas. I'm asking all the time for a minimum of 5 times a week. If you can read every single day, that would be amazing. These children have been reading at least twice. They've been reading twice a day, every single day, even over the weekends. And I know full well that these 4 will carry on reading over Christmas. And that's the same for everyone else. Please do that. It's one of the simplest things to do to keep up your children's progress. So keep on reading at home, everyone. Keep doing it every single day. And Our 4 winners of reading books are, here we go, Gino, here he is, Board Battle, amazing book for you there, Gino, as well, well done. We've got Luca, we've got the Minotaur for Luca, brilliant Luca, thumbs up as well buddy, thumbs up to that book as well. We've got Robbie, here he is, the Dragon Sitter Detective, really exciting book there, well done Robbie. And finally, Rosie, the Big Concrete Lorry, right Rosie? So, these books are yours. They're yours to take home over Christmas. Enjoy them. Share them with your families. You superstars, really well done. Honestly, amazing reading records and amazing reading. You are reading non-stop. Keep it up. Don't stop there. Just because you've got certificates, now it's time to push on and read even more. So really well done, you 4. Enjoy your books and put your certificates in a safe place. Proud of you all. Well done. Moving on to house points. Here we go with the Keen Cup. Here we are. Oh, look at this. House captains are looking. See if they can get themselves the Keen Cup. They want to get their hands on it. Those year 2s have been working so hard. You saw all the merits on some of their hands and some of the photos. Now we're going to find out the top 3 in each of those classes to see where they're standing. And if you multiply these house points by 5, you'll know how many merits these children have earned. So we'll start off in Miss Cook's class. In 3rd place, we've got Charlie. Look at that, 33. We've seen Charlie already getting certificates. In 2nd place, there is Esma on 34. Look, just ahead. And in 1st place, Olivia on 35 points. Amazing number of house points. And so close. So close. So keep it up, you 3. Well done. Give those 3 a little round of applause in class. Really well done, you 3. Proud of you. And in Miss Hawkins' class, here we go. We've got Rion, 17. We've got Michael on 25. Heading up Miss Hawkins. Bruno on 26. Really close to the top. Give those 3 a round of applause, please. Big smiley faces. And well done to all 6 of you. Now, taking all of those house points from year 1 and year 2 and throwing them all together and divided by the number of children to find out which house captain is holding on to the Keen Cup. What I can tell you, huge congratulations goes none other than Holcomb! Well done, Holcomb! Yes, crowds go wild, certainly do. Well done, Holcomb. Hugely deserved. It was Felbrigg at half term, so Holcomb just overtaken because it's not even a house point between all 4 houses. So if you are Felbrigg, Blickling or Sandringham, don't give up. You've got the spring term to try and get hold of this. But I know the Holcomb house captains will be really pleased when they've received this from Mr. Allen today. So well done, Holcomb. Give another round of applause. Congratulations. Superstars. Moving on now. Attendance League. The Bremner Shield. This is what we've all been working towards. Throughout this term, all the classes have been working towards seeing who gets the Bremner Shield for the best attendance this term. We are finally there, and we have our Attendance League completed with all of our 14 classes throughout school just to see where they are. And we're going to see who's holding on to the shield at the end of this term and who we need to congratulate and who those children are. So let's have a little look and a quick run through from 14th place, Miss Barrett. In 13th place, we've got Mr. Pinner. In 12th place, Mr. Ackerman. In 11th, Miss White. In 10th, Miss Arthurton. In 9th, Mr. Davidson. In joint 7th is Miss Musselwhite and Miss Percy. Now, just pause it there, because actually, as you'll see, they're all Key Stage 2 classes. There's not a Key Stage 1 or reception class in amongst it. So that tells you that all 6 classes in the top 6 are either in Year 1, Year 2 or reception. So, I hope you're sitting there, eager anticipation for those classes. Let's find out. In 6th place, Miss Begum, Year 1. In 5th place, Miss Hawkins, Year 2, brilliant. In 4th place, Miss Hall, superb. So the top 3, here we go. In 3rd place, Mrs. Cook, well done Mrs. Cook, 3rd place. Fantastic effort there, that's probably your best finish so far with Year 2s, well done. In 2nd place, Miss Marshall, Year 1, which, drum roll please everyone. In 1st place, look Miss Arnold, a reception class. Come on, the first time ever a reception class have held on to the Attendance League for a term. That is amazing. All reception Year 1s, Year 2s. This has been an amazing term for those children. Thank you, parents. Thank you for getting your children in. Well done to, look at that, Turtle class. You absolute superstars. You are the winners of the Attendance League. Huge congratulations to you. I'll be bringing this round to your class. You keep that in class throughout next term and hopefully keep it up in the spring term. Really well done. Well done to everyone. Thank you, parents, for continuing to support us and getting your children to school. This has been the best term attendance for Marcross Primary School we have had. So really well done. Thank you so much. Right, moving on. Obviously, we have got Our Christmas holidays are upon us. We break up this afternoon at 3:15 and the children are back to school on Monday the 4th of January, and as you can see, gates will be open at 8:30. My final message: thank you, parents, for all of your support throughout this term. We could not have got through this term without it. We really could not. I am constantly asking you all to stay home, protect Marcross, help keep school open. I'm still sending that message over and out at Christmas, please. It's really important. COVID hasn't gone away. It's still with us. Yes, we do want to visit our loved ones and our families. Please be careful over this period and this time. These are the times where I want to get back in January. We can continue being open, staying fully open, and looking out for the whole community of Marcross. So please, let's keep this concerted effort. We've got to today by doing that, by all keeping safe. So thank you all so much, because in the long run, it will benefit your children. Your children are loving coming to school. They're making progress. They're earning themselves certificates. So please, let's keep it up. Have a safe Christmas holiday, and until January 2021, see you all soon. Bye-bye now.